Yes, so now in the next part, we are going to learn operation on numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All these type of sums we have already done in our lower classes. In the math exam, the questions are slightly different. Their difficulty level is high. Look at this question now. This is our first question. What is given here? That 849 into 36 is equal to m. So that means the actual multiplication and the product is not required. It is given in the form of m. And the required answer also should be in the form of m. It is in terms of m only, right? So answer also should be in terms of m. So here what we can do, what happened here, observe the question and the given. Given is 849 and in the question it is 845. So here we are going to use distributive property. Let us see what it is. The property is A into bracket B plus C equal to. Here we are going to multiply both the terms which are in the bracket by A into B plus A into C. And then we can simplify. Okay, so this property we are going to use here. Suppose if it is minus, the other way also we can write A into bracket B minus C. And this is equal to A into B minus A into C. Right? So let us see how we can apply this property here. The given is 849 into 36 equal to M. Now let us write this 845 here instead of this. How we can write this? So 845 is equal to 849 minus 4. So 845 is 849 minus 4. So instead of 849, we will write this to get 845. So here I will write 849 minus 4 into 36. So this is what is 845 into 36. Now let us apply this property. So first of all, 36 into this. So 849 into 36 minus 4 into 36. Now, instead of multiplying this whole, this multiplication is comparatively easy, right? And this is given to us. That is m. And minus 4 into 36 is 144. And see here our answer is D. D is the correct answer. This is so simple. Just apply this property. Split the given number into required number like this. This is important part here. And so we get the answer easily, right? Now let us move to next question. See here, it is simple division. But do we have to do such a long division? No need. Directly we can do this sum, but for that we need to use divisibility test also, which we are going to discuss this part later on in our divisibility topic. But just now, I will explain you in short. See, this is the given number. Usually in these type of sums, what happens? Yes, you will divide this number by 22 and these two parts are same. So whatever quotient you will get, what you will do, write that quotient 0 and then quotient. But that goes wrong. Here 1 0 is not enough. Let us see what happens. So first of all, let us find out what is 4224 divided by 22. First of all, because it is even, this is also even, so we can reduce it and write like this, divide both by 2, so we will get 2112 upon 11. Now let us check whether this is divisible by 11. if you have gone through our math book, you must have seen what is the divisibility test of 11. So see the alternate digits, sum of alternate digits. 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 2, 3. So yes, it is divisible by 11. And let us divide it by 11. This division, either you can do orally, mentally, or you can do by actual division. And answer is 192. And one thing is there, in MCQ type question, this is the advantage for us. See here, everywhere it is 192. No other number is given. So that means the quotient must be 192. Only the question is of zeros. Here there is 1 0, here there is no 0, 2 zeros, right? And therefore, just look at these zeros. That is important here. Okay, so 192 we got. So first part, when you divide, you will get 192. Then afterwards, these zeros. Then afterwards, when we do actual division, what we do? We bring down the next digit, 4. But 4 is not divisible by 22. And therefore, one more 0 is to be written. And afterwards, when you bring down 2, it becomes 42. And then we can write 1s are, and then same quotient you will get. And therefore, the answer is 192,00192. Okay. So answer is D. Okay. So let us move to next question. But before that, I would like to give you one example and then we will discuss next question. That is 2 upon 35 plus 2 upon 63 plus 2 upon 99. Now, when this type of question you get, this is the question of fractions, addition of fractions. And usually what we do in addition of fractions, we make the denominator same. We find the LCM of denominators, we make the denominator same and then we add. But here look at these denominators. This is very difficult to find their LCM and then make them same, right? So is there any other method? So yes, there is one more method. Look, see the numerators. Everywhere it is 2. So divide or factorize this number in such a way that their difference is 2. So what are they? So in my next step, what I will write? 2 upon 5 into 7. See, the difference of 5 and 7 is 2. And 5 sevens are 35. Similarly here, 2 upon 7 into 9. Mostly these type of sums have this serial, these denominators are in this form. Okay. And the last is into 11. All they are odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. Yes. And now what we will do, instead of these two, we will write 7 minus 5 upon 5 into 7 plus 9 minus 7 upon 7 into 9 plus 11 minus 9 upon 9 into 11. And now it becomes, don't write 2 again. It was there. So what we are going to do, we are going to split this into 2 fractions. How? 7 upon 5 into 7 minus 5 upon 5 into 7 plus 9 upon 7 into 9 minus 7 upon 7 into 9 plus 11 upon 9 into 11 minus 9 upon 9 into 11. And now see what happens. This 7 will get cancelled. This 5 also will go. This 9 will go. 7, 11 and 9. So what remains? 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 11. Now in these type of sums, what happens? All the middle terms will get cancelled and only the first and last remains. So minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9. And now what remains is 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 11. And now you do simple subtraction of fractions. The denominator becomes 55. And here it is 11 minus 5. So the answer is 6 upon 55. So similar type of sum I'm going to give you. Our next question is of this type. And before we solve this, I wanted to give you this example. So what you have to see the numerator and then factorize it. Sometimes the factors are given to you, no problem. But if they are not given, you have to factorize into two numbers whose difference is the numerator. Clear? Okay. So let us now solve the next question. Yes. See here. It is similar type. Here the difference of these two numbers is the numerator. So same method we have to use. Same method we have to use here. Okay. So let us do. Directly I am writing our second step. What we are, instead of 1, what we will write? 2 minus 1. So it is 2 minus 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 3 minus 2 upon 2 into 3 plus 4 minus 3 upon 3 into 4 dot 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 dot. There are terms in between. Don't consider that these three and the last. There are all the terms. 3, 4, then you have to take 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, and then this last term is 10 minus 9 upon 9 into 10. In the previous sum, as I have told you, that all the middle terms will get cancelled. So that is why I am not writing all these, but they are there. Don't forget. Okay. So now it is 2 upon 1 into 2 minus 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 3 upon 2 into 3 minus 2 upon 2 into 3 plus 4 upon 3 into 4 minus 3 upon 3 into 4. Then dot 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 dot. There are terms in between, and the last two terms are 10 upon 9 into 10 minus 9 upon 9 into 10. And now again this will get cancelled. 3, 2, 4, 3, then 10 and 9. Okay, so what remains? This is 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 and then plus 1 by 4 and so on. So this term will be 1 upon 9 and minus 1 upon 10. The previous will be minus 1 upon 9. And therefore all these terms will get cancelled. And what will remain? First and last, that is 1 minus 1 upon 10. This is nothing but 10 upon 10 minus 1 upon 10. And this is 9 upon 10. So this is our answer. So how we simplified this? The question looks slightly difficult, right? It is difficult how to solve, how to find the LCM. No need to find out LCM, nothing, just do like this. So you will get the answer. Remember well, all the middle terms will get cancelled and only first and last one remains. If in this type of sums, if this matches these two numbers and difference of these two numbers is numerator. If this happens, only then you can use this method. Okay. So our answer is B, that is 9 upon 10. Okay. So now we will move to next part.